Yeah.
Some drivers still drying out after highways turned into rivers last night.
Yeah, it was a mess. This was the scene last night at I-90 at McKinley in Lakewood, where the lanes, as you can see, were flooded. And that's where we find our David Greenberg this morning. David, it was a mess.
Yeah, it certainly was a mess, Danita. Thankfully, things moving a bit better out here this morning, like Brissa was just talking about. Not at that peak travel hour quite just yet, but we'll give you a look here at what it looks like right now, and you can see traffic moving swiftly. It was those eastbound lanes that you want to take a look at. But if you look at some of that video from last night around 8 o'clock, this is the video at McKinley Avenue on I-90 here in Lakewood. You can see the cars just slowly navigating through those flooded lanes after a downpour was following it on radar, and it seemed to just kind of park itself over the east side. ODOT said the two left lanes of those two left eastbound lanes, they were closed after the heavy rains overwhelmed the storm drains. And a spokesperson tells 3 News that they are not sure exactly what caused the water not to drain properly. We can tell you, though, there's a major rehab construction process about to take place here for this area of I-90 now in the coming days. Part of that project is to perform maintenance on the drainage system itself. And according to ODOT, the project will also replace the existing pavement along I-90 from Hilliard Road to the exit ramp bridge. Now, the $173 million project is set to begin on Monday in August, and it'll be about a 3-year project going through October of 2028. So lots more construction here. Hopefully they get some of that drainage system fixed in the near future, guys.
Yeah, drainage system needs some TLC right now. All right, David Greenberg reporting live for us this morning. Thank you. The Westside area is also dealing with flooding. A viewer sent us these pictures. Look at this. It shows cars stuck in floodwaters on West 130th. This is under the I-480 bridge. And just a short distance away, this was the scene near West 130th in Bel Air. First responders blocked the roads as drivers tried to navigate through city streets. Now over on West 150th Street, cars slowly drove through blocked roads and the signs warning that the road may flood. On Brook Park Road, a familiar scene in the Sam's Club parking lot. Look at this. Floodwaters kept the drains hard at work. So, Matt, we just saw all the video, the floods yesterday, really a sight to see.
Yeah, it really was, for sure. Can you break down flooding a little bit more for us?
Yeah, Dave and Danita, all the video that you saw, we have pavement and concrete, right? That's the problem, is these urban areas tend to flood because of poor drainage. Yes, we saw a lot of rain yesterday, and yes, we had some huge rainfall rates in terms of how fast it was coming down. So a lot of these drains and sewage areas were just overwhelmed. Here's a look at the radar trend. Here are the storms that they came together. They came together nicely. We had a batch of heavy rain that just moved through. We did have strong winds and even a tornado warning with that. That tornado warning was really very brief. It wasn't anything, really too crazy, but they did issue that. In terms of the rainfall, though, look at this. Areas in yellow, that's over an inch. Areas in pink and red, that's over 2.5 to 3 inches. We had reports of 4 to 5 inches of rain as you're getting into areas of Erie County. We mentioned Berlin Heights out towards Florence, some heavy rain there. That stretched over to South Amherst with the radar estimated 2 to 4 inches of rain for you. Another pocket of rain near Hinckley, just south of North Royalton, Brunswick, Liverpool, along 303 dealt with that heavy rain as well. And you notice Cleveland didn't get a lot of rain out of it, but it's the urban effect, right? There's not a lot of areas where that water can drain out, so it's all about that rate. Good news is we're dry here this morning, so things starting to improve, obviously, as they have overnight. Guys?
Keep the improvement coming. That's what we need. All right, Matt, thank you.
Wild night for sure. All right.